wind will come, the rain will fall. They're all giving the world an answer. I've been to places where the wind blows and soaked in storms that came and passed. Everyone around me walks through the wind and rain, but you're the only one still standing in place. The requiem of youth is long ended, yet who still stands on stage, refusing to bow? The wind will come, the rain will fall. They're all speaking to the unknown. In the days that followed, the wind was gone. The road ahead was filled with rain. You grew used to walking through the mud, waiting for the curtain to rise at the next stop. But who still stands behind the crowd, lost without an entrance? Is there truly an answer where the wind blows? Is there really a rainbow where the rain falls? When the storm rages, is it just chaos? The wind will come, the rain will fall. They're all giving the world an answer. The wind will come, the rain will fall. They're all speaking to the unknown. Who walks through the wind? Who walks through the rain? Who stands in the storm waiting for the answer? I will learn to speak to the unknown, chase the next wind and rain.